Hello, this is Michael Emery with Emery EPS Internet Marketing, and I'm doing website evaluations for the keyword search phrase Seattle Attorney. And essentially what I'm doing is I'm identifying the factors that are preventing a website from being on page 1 in the top 3 positions for the keyword phrase Seattle Attorney. And the reason why you want to be in the top 3 positions is because those are the 3 search results that are going to drive the most traffic to a website. So here we are on page 5. We're going to scroll all the way down to the bottom, down to position 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. So we can see Kradel Defense PLLC. So let's take a look here and see what's happening. I believe it's pronounced Kradel. It could be Kradel. I'm not sure. So we're seeing the website here. Looks good. It's I'll tell you right off the bat, it's a little bit short on actual text content, which is probably going to play against it. So let's take a look and see what the robots see when they scan the site. Okay, criminal defense in Seattle, Washington. Good. Title's good. We have no meta description, so that means that Google's generating its own by default, and that can throw us off. We need to fix that. We've got no headings that are effective being used, so we definitely need to fix that. Images without alt description, microformats not being used, schema not being used, meta viewport, XML sitemap not used. So we got some issues there. I can tell that GT Metrics is still running a page analysis, and that's gives me some indicators that the website's not loading as quickly as it could be. Here we go. We see the mobile version of the website. It's got some issues. We're at a 71 score. We need to fix that, bring that up. This is Google telling us that we got some stuff to fix here. So it's really important. Same thing for the desktop. We got some compression, optimization, minification. GT Metrics is still running, so it's not necessarily a good sign. Could be server slow, could be some images that are pretty large too. In the meantime, while that's running, let's take a look at the offsite component of ranking. And this is essentially how the Google algorithm selects which websites to display in its search results based upon their keyword phrase associations and also the quality of backlinks that connect to this website. So we've got a trust flow of 0, not good at all. We can look at a perfect website, google.com. We're going to see it's got a trust flow of 98, citation flow of 96, 8.1 trillion backlinks. And 80% of those backlinks have some random text that is not Google, not related to just the word Google. Less than 4% of the backlink text, the hyperlink text, says Google. So what we're seeing here is we've got 60 backlinks, but we still have no trust flow, which means that we don't have very high quality backlinks connecting to this website. We've got a URL, generic, URL, generic, URL, generic, brand, brand. So in this mix here, we're not seeing any backlinks that are relevant to Seattle law, Seattle attorney, attorney in Seattle, attorney lawyer in Seattle, and other keyword variations of phrases, search phrases that are relevant to the offerings of this particular law firm. Let's go back here and see this on-site factor. Yeah, so we got a C score and a D score for our performance. Essentially, this website is loading. It's pretty slow. It needs to be about 3 seconds to load. It's 4.6. And the website size isn't that bad. It just needs some compression. It just needs some a little bit of TLC here. So essentially what needs to be done in summary is we need to fix some of the on-site problems, have a better use of headers, meta descriptions, meta titles, tags, etc. Then we need to go to the offsite and we need to boost the trust flow. You need to go from a 0 to about a 30. And you're looking realistically at probably a 6-month window to do that without being penalized, without having any negative consequences. Anybody that tells you they can do it faster is putting your website at jeopardy, and it's just not worth the risk or the cost of being blacklisted or having a manual penalty done by Google. So these are factors that I would love to have the opportunity to talk to the individual about, the individual who's in charge of internet marketing for this firm. I can answer any questions and outline a plan forward. The reason why you want to have your website show up in the top 3 search positions is because those drive the majority of the traffic for any search terms. And you get more traffic to your website, then you get more conversions. The more conversions you have, the more people you can help. And as a result, the more people you help, the higher your revenues. So I hope this has been insightful. I'd love to have the opportunity to speak with the individual in charge of internet marketing, as I said, and we can go from there. Thank you very much for your time.